Is that why it's capped and it's got a little screw on it? Because that line, where's that line? Let me see this line. Oh, don't go nowhere. Stay put. Where's the other glove? Yep. This line. Yeah, that's from the other side of the fuel filter. I did not notice that. Oh, that line's also supposed to bolt some. Okay, so that's from the fuel. Okay, so that's the inlet to the fuel rail. Okay, banjo bolt fitting right there. Oh, it's not a bolt. How am I gonna tee into this? I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to tee into that. Alright, just scratch braid I come. How does it? Should that be the culprit? I know I have some here. Where is it? There you are. There's my flap. There it is. Oh. Why are you? Okay. Be down there somewhere. On you. Yeah. Oh, nice. Ditch those, now that's into the fuel. Alright. Okay. VT right there. Yeah. Yeah. Note to self, that tastes like shit. Good. Oh, yeah. That's too much. Yeah, that works a little better. So you go. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, no, that's right. There we go. Oh yeah, I should also probably right there. Go like this. Where's that fuel rail? That mirror go. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah. Oh yeah, you look clean. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, everywhere. I don't want you. What is this even for? Not exceed 150 psi. Awesome. Electrical incorporated. Lubricate clutch gun probe end with refrigerant oil. Oh, this is for. Oh, this is an AC thing. Oh. Oh, MC refrigerator charging house. See that? Nah. Sweet. Cool. What do I use this for? Portable air gun. And she's out. Good enough. Alright. Lots of room under this hood. Tell you guys, if you're thinking of buying a Toyota, let me convince you. You should do it. These things are wonderful. When they work. Only stipulation, when they work, these things are wonderful. And so far, normally they're also really easy to fix too. I don't know why mine's being such a pain in my ass. Initial startup, fucking taking forever. Oh, keep it going. Well, you're clear of fuel. Alright. Oh, I should see if the fuel pump works. Oh, probably tighten it right up. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Do I just want to turn it on and see if fuel comes pouring out of there? Or do I just want to plug into this line somewhere and test pressure? Contemplation. So determine a lot of things. See, how does that screw in? Is that just a fitting? See, before I get that tight, let's try that. What wrenches in here do I have? Just big ass ones. Okay. Let me correct that, but I don't need you. I don't need to know what size you are anymore, so let's find out what size you are. Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. You, eh? Not you. Oh. No. Yep. Perfect. 17. Alright. Fair size. Oh, should have grabbed a stubby. Honest. Probably should have grabbed a stubby. Yeah, I should have grabbed a stubby. Okay, okay. Oh, damn. Get there and in here. Okay, let's calculate that we're going for a stubby. This is bullshit. I'm not moving that pipe out of the way just to get you off. Okay, open it, Paul. Open it. Ah! What's cutting my arm? That's tightening. I don't want to tighten it. No! Quit cutting my arm! Okay. Oh! That hurts like a bastard! Okay, there's no way I'm loosening that from under there like that. Oh, fuck. Get pissed off. Over there. Stay. Oh, fuck. Alright, oh, wait, I can reach it up there. I see. Oh, fuck. Stitch all that. Got here. Fuck. Got here. There. Okay. Oh shit. Right under it. Oh, under the fuel now. Ah, fuck that. Don't look shit. Ouch. Fuck's sakes. Ah, it's actually covered in fuel. Good, in the bin. You see shit? I can't see for shit here. Alright. You can see it? Good. If you can't, oh shit. You're shit out of luck. You're probably gonna sleep more than I will. No. There you are. Oh, goddamn way. Alright, now I'm on it. There we go, yeah. Alright. And you're, and you're loose. And I have dirt in my mouth. Yep. Gonna put on my finger. Finger. Okay. Oh, fuck's sake. Stubby, okay. Grab a stubby. $18. What? You don't have a fucking 17 stubby? Oh. $16, no. 18. What? What? Alright, what's the equivalent? Pretty damn close. I'm taking it. Complete imperial sense, not metric. Crappy tire. That's why we don't like you. Oh. Oh, I just need to undo this. Okay. Go on, Mackie line. My screwdriver. I see it. Oh, how's your under there? There we go. You're off. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. This line. Ooh, now that it spins, this is going to be real easy. Alright. Oh, and your both feet. Don't leak over. Pinch in between the canister and the manifold and stay there. That would be the best situation. And fuck you. Do what you want then. Because you're not gonna. Don't hit that. That's bullshit. Oh, both of us. It's EGR. Oh, it's just air. Okay. There. Bolt here. And a big ass wrench. Do I have that size big ass wrench with me? Hope you are a 22. You might be that 24 I put away. Or bigger. Imperial. What do you go up to? 30, okay. No, good. That's not correct. And you're bigger. Alright. Not big enough. That sounds like a having a problem. Okay, what size are you? You are a 30, 29, 28, 27. Jeebus, you're a big turd. Oh, the whole fucking thing's loose. What's happening? That whole fucking thing move. Oh, piss off, give him my hand. You're tight, you're tight, you're tight. You're not fucking tight. You fucking. God damn it. Of course. All the shit I'm finding out about. Let's find out that this is not tight. After the fact. Fuck it, I think I'd have to buy a rebuilt engine and fucking check over every goddamn fucking bolt on the thing. Check over timing, check over fucking everything. Can't trust other people's fucking work. Piss me off. So I just unbolt the fucking thing. Move it right out of the fucking way. Yep, fuck, just unbolted. Oh, and your finger tight. fucking look at that. Bolt. Look at that. That bolt's also just finger fucking tight. Finger fucking tight. Now I need to go over every goddamn bolt on the side of this fucking thing. Fuck's sakes. Fire rebuilt engine. It'll save me time, I think. Fuck's sakes. Get under there. Do need that extension. Where'd I put it? There I put it. Yeah. Okay, that's all my swing I get. Now are you finger tight? Yes, you are. Okay. See some more time patience. One fingers, don't fail me now. Yeah, I do have those gaskets. Good. Good, good, good. So we combine them. Get off the stud. Let's just see, we'll get some block off plates for this turd. I'm gonna fucking need this. Oh. This should be falling off my head. The gasket, you can come. Oh, oh, you're part of the intake gasket. I guess what you're getting then. Paint marker in there. Paint marker. Please tell me you're in there. You're in there. Nope, don't you fall on me. Fucking thing. Dot, dot, dot. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nearly vacuum lines in this thing. Yes, you down there. Okay. One dot, two dot. One dot, two dot. Oh, what the fuck? There's a gasket on you, and there's a gasket on the block at the same time. Why? Why does that even... It doesn't make sense. Oh, whoops. Oh, fuck off. Good. 2 dot. 3 dot. Okay. You're an open exposed diaphragm. It's weird. Why would we do that? Now I can spin you off. Doesn't that just make life difficult? How the fuck am I gonna spin you on? Better goddamn question. And you have an O-ring. Of course you have an O-ring. And cover my hand in gas. Because apparently my hands like covered in gas. Okay, that I could tee into. If I tee into that, not out that far, will you even fucking spin around? Oh, I could tee into it. And stick it out this way. Oh, fuck, if I stick it out that way. Well, that. Shouldn't. Might. It might. Fuck. Fuck sakes. I guess I could also just stick that in there on its own, pressure it up, so that this happened to be in to test for fuel pressure alone. But it wouldn't tell me if this damn regulator works, or if this is, actually no, if this is, if it works then, and not when this is on, that tells me this is the problem. Tells me this is the problem. We'll find out if that's the problem. After we stuff some rags in those holes. No hole should be left unstuffed. What do we got? That'll work. Going off. Let me sharpen this again. Should be good. And I don't need this, so. Boop. I decided I don't mind. Isn't that how it works? Like half the stuff that's been done to this engine, this truck.
my fleet. Hello.
Hey, sweetheart.
What's happening?
If you ever have a moment,
Okay.
Arm would like you to get the rest of his clothes in a belt,
Rest of his clothes in the belts.
and then we can arrange for Ron or Liz to take it to him.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Could probably make that happen today. I know I need to run into the city because I want to get a couple fittings, a gauge, and hopefully not some parts, but probably parts for this thing.
It's taking a lot of your time, isn't it?
Yeah. I was expecting this thing to be running
Yeah, I know.
4 days ago.
Yeah.
But no, something's wrong with it, and I'm starting to think it's fuel. Because this morning, when I went to fire it up, first try, it sounded like it just about sputtered.
Yeah.
And yesterday, no, it's whining when I turn it on. It's making noise.
Mm.
When I went to try and fire it up yesterday, when I was talking to a buddy over the phone, because we were trying to figure out what this was, and he told me to check my crank position sensor and my cam position sensor, because normally those give trouble. But this only has one sensor, and it's in the distributor, so I need to check that. And so far, I'm pretty sure that's working. But yeah, I think it's a fuel thing. I think
Is
it's
your
not
line plate?
maintaining fuel pressure. Because the very first time I try to start this, anytime I let it sit for a long time, it'll sputter twice and then that's it. That's all I get.
You wouldn't have a plug line, would you?
I don't think so.
From old gas or something?
Maybe. I know when I come back with the gauge and the fitting and plug into the fuel rail and actually take a look at what the pressure says and reads, then that should tell me everything I need to know.
Your gas wouldn't be old, eh?
A little bit, but I put some new gas in there the other day as well when I went to go and start this thing.
Because sometimes you need to put some, whatever that, all that pressure is.
Oh, fuel stabilizer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about, does this have a fuel injection jets or?
It is. It's got injectors, but I tested the injectors and so far it all checks out. It all works.
Because I know with my old lawnmower and my lawnmower, I had to put in a fuel injection cleaner and fuel stabilizer to get it going.
Yeah, that's usually what happens when something sits for a long period of time. In which case this thing has. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'll keep tinkering with it.
Anyways, if
'Cause-
you have a moment to go out person,
Okay, I'll definitely head out there.
thanks.
I'll give Kirk a shout and try and make my way out there. Short a little. Where'd that pick go?
What's that pick?
That'll work into this. There. Perfect. Stuffed. It's the bigger square. Bigger square. Go on. Fuck's sakes. Get in there. plugged. Plugged. Good. That little one go. That's good. Carbon on it. And plugged it. Okay, good enough. Plugged enough. Should actually bug the group, see if you guys have some block off plates I can get. So then I can just ditch this, plug the lines. This has got headers. It doesn't even have EGR in it. Okay. I think I have one block off plate too. I'm pretty damn sure I have another one. Alright. There I go.